Hello, my name is Brandon McKinney, and this is my EDF 204 website and app presentation. My website was educationnorthwest.org/traits, and my app was Ask3. Okay, so a little bit about myself. My name is Brandon McKinney. I'm from Estill County, Kentucky. I'm majoring in middle grade education, and focusing my subjects are math and science. My goal is to become an 8th grade math teacher. And a fun fact about me is I'm a huge baseball fan. Okay, so Education Northwest. Education Northwest is a site that helped create this plan called the 6+1 trait about 3 decades ago. Its main goals were to help thousands of teachers worldwide improve their writing instruction, better understand the qualities of good writing, and hone their ability to provide student feedback. This model is used in almost every state in the country, and it's used to help for teachers to help score students' papers and assessments all across the nation. This is a picture of the main page at Education Northwest. It just tells a little bit about it, what it is, and everything. Education Northwest employers can actually meet with a school to see their teachers and the rest of their staff to give them workshops on how to score using their 6+1 trait method. And teachers can also send in student papers and assessments to employees at Education Northwest, and they will provide them with dependable grading and scores that are based off of the 6+1 traits. There are 2 different scoring rubrics, and one is for grades K through 2, and the other rubric is for grades 3 through 12. The rubric goes by the Common Core standards, and they are improved every year to become more teacher friendly. Overall, really the only use that students can get from this site is that they could go check the scoring rubrics before or while writing a paper, so that they can make sure that their work goes by the 6+1 traits and the Common Core standards. It could support a student's use for tech by allowing them to search for the scoring rubric, which can be found on almost any electronic device. It can meet the needs of students performing at grade level, students with exceptionalities, students who are gifted, and also students with ELL backgrounds by allowing them the advantage of knowing what a teacher is looking for in a paper based off of the 2 scoring rubrics. And this picture is just, it tells a little bit about what they expect out of a paper. So it has ideas, the main message, organization, voice, word choice, sentence fluency, conventions, and presentation. So that's really the basic 6+1 more thing that they score their papers and assessments off of. Okay, so now my app is called Ask3. It's an app made for the iPad, and it is mainly used for creating flipped classroom video lessons that students can respond to. All a teacher has to do is create an account and get a code for their classroom. Now they make their students create an account, and they type in the code for their class, and then the teachers can share virtual videos with anyone who joined the class. It can be used to post lessons or even tutorials for students to watch when they need help with a certain topic. Once a student logs in, they can access all of their teachers' videos from the bulletin board right here, and they can make comments and ask questions when they feel necessary. Use for students, this app can be a tremendous help for almost any student, whether it's for students who are above grade level, students with exceptionalities, gifted students, or students with an ELL background. Everyone who uses Ask3 can go and get extra help on any lesson that the teacher posts to the bulletin board. For some students, learning can come easier when they are on their own, so watching these videos outside of class could actually help them even more than actually sitting in the classroom and having to listen to a lecture or something. Also, being able to ask questions in the app can lead to students helping each other more and more, which is always a good thing for the teachers because it takes a little bit less burden off of them, and it just lets them interact with their peers a little more. Okay, so thank you, and that was my presentation.